Hi guys, my name is Berk, and today we're opening this tin with a face, weird looking creature. Wait, light. What are you doing? There we go, that's bad, isn't it? Ooh, the card fell off behind it. Ooh, there's a nice image behind this. Wait, let's take this glue thing off. Look at this amazing image. Wait, come on guys, light, we need light. Okay, look at this amazing image, isn't it? Nice. So, without other ado, let's start opening it. Let's go. I'm so excited. I've never opened like tiny things. Nice tin. Ooh, we got a coin. A Pikachu one. Nice and large Pikachu coin. The Pikachu. We'll keep it right here for now. In our... There we go. And now we got the card that I was talking about. Munchlax. So it's Munchlax, guys, look. Is this the card? Munchlax. Oh, for a big eater Pokemon. Never knew that. Nice, heavy. Very cool image. Now, we've got 2 packs. So we have to get fingers crossed to be good. At least one. At least one. So... let's make it nice. I will leave this right there with the other rare cards are. As you can see, if you don't see it, there we go. Other rare cards are. So now let's start by closing this and now opening this pack. First pack. No, not Chilling Green. I'll open Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike. I don't really like Fusion Strike. They didn't give me really good cards, they gave me bad cards. I like what was there. Darkness Ablaze is good. I got really good cards from that. Okay, wish me luck. Take 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Start. Water Energy, nice. Ooh, Musharan. Okay, Musharna. There, and then we got Heatmore. Oh, that looks cool. The art is amazing. Oh, Trainer. I've never gotten a cook. Nice. Heal 70 damage. That is powerful. Groobon. The knitting one. You know. Rotom. Nice. It's a nice tiny cool creature, isn't it? Oh, Smeargle Fusion Strike. Look at that water art. It's amazing, isn't it? Carvanha, Clamperl, again Fusion Strike, and last of all, and we got Staryu, Rapid Strike. Look, there's one more card. And it is Golem! No, that looks cool. That actually looks so cool. Look at the inside of it. Amazing art. Got a holo. What is it? Staryu, Rapid Strike. Best card. Fingers crossed on Chilling Green. You see? For me, it's not that good. Fusion Strike. There we go. These are the cards. Put it right over here. First pack is already done. Next pack. Ready or not? Chilling Green. I'm opening you. I've never opened a Chilling Green pack. Never. I opened Brilliant Stars, Evolving Skies, Radial Astrals. That's the new one. I didn't get really good cards from that. Ooh, nice starter. Okay. 4 cards from the back, I think. I'm not really good at Chilling Green. 4 cards from the back. Let's see if that's correct or not. Okay, that's correct. Energy. Cyborg, Rapid Strike Trainer. Nice. Heal 60 damage for each of them. Rapid Strike Pokemon. Oh, nice. Oh, I got a Route, and I've never gotten the Evolves Kirlia. I've never gotten this card. It looks pretty cool. Agatha. I get so many trainers. I got Furfru. A Venipede. Then there's Speaheal. Yeah, Speaheal. No, the right thing is the opposite way, but it's okay. I'm telling you. Crab roll. There's such a big team. Yeah, nice. 40 times. Flip 2 coins. Yeah, we got a coin. Flip coin. Oh my gosh, that is... Oh, gullet again. But I'm just so scared. I just can't. I just can't turn it. Okay, I'll do it. Slurp puff. And the last one. Please. No! A ball must know. That's sad. So sad. But single strike. That is just so sad. No good card from all of these. Oh, that is sad. Now that was unlucky. At least we got a good card. Golem. Nice. I really feel so bad. Not even a good card from out of all these packs. At least we got a coin. Yeah. So, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Don't forget them. Okay? Don't forget about them. Good. You remember? Yeah. Well done. So, after all these, it was really fun. So I want to see you next time. Bye, guys.